Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I hope y'all are fine. Today I'm gonna make mango pickle. So here I have 1 kg raw mangoes. So I have 6 mangoes here. I'm gonna just first of all peel it off. So after peeling it off, I'm gonna cut it into small pieces. So after cutting it into small pieces like this, I'm gonna add salt, four teaspoons salt, 4 teaspoons red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons turmeric powder. After adding all these spices, after adding these spices, I'm gonna mix it very well. After mixing it well, spread it like this. After spreading it very well, where the sunlight comes in your home, place it directly into the sunlight for 1 day. So now here I'm having some garlics. It's about 250 grams. I'm gonna just peel it off and add in that raw mangoes. Now the garlic is peeled off. Now we have to add some ingredients. We have 3 spices, 3 tablespoons, it's about dry coriander, 3 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons carom seeds, and 2 tablespoons fennel seeds. Now heat up your pan and add all the ingredients. Give it a light roast. Now here we add fenugreek seed. It's about 3 tablespoons. We also give it a light roast. Just give it a light roast. In this step, you will feel the aroma of these ingredients. Now we have to crush these ingredients, so add in the dry milk. Our spices is crushed now. So as you can see, it's completely crushed like this. Don't make it powder. Now I'm gonna take 20 to 25 red chilies and I'm gonna crush it and add in that spices. It's also crushed now. I'm gonna just add in this spices. As you can see, give it a light crush like this. Mix it very well, all the spices. Now we have to add black cumin, which is called also in Urdu kalonji. It's about 3 tablespoons. We have to add it in these spices. Mix it. You can see that dry raw mangoes, it's completely dried now. We have to now assemble it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now it's the assemble time. I am taking a bowl and all the raw mangoes which is dried now, it's here. Now we have to add garlic. Now we are gonna add mustard oil. It's about 250 grams. And now I'm gonna mix it well. Mix it. We have to mix it completely. So guys, it's the first day I'm putting directly into the sunlight after assembling. It will take 3 days. After 3 days, it will be perfectly complete. Okay, so then I will transfer any other jar or any other bottle. So guys, I'm gonna transfer the mango pickle in this jar after 3 days, and the first part of video is now going to end. As you can see that after 3 days I'll show you the result, and on that part, the second part of mango pickle, which will upload tomorrow. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.